In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on or off journaling schedule in Journal application on an iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to head over to settings and then scroll down until we find journal. If we scroll down a bit, we can easily find journaling schedule here, and that's where we can configure it. First off, we can turn it off or on, and while it is turned on, it will notify us to write in our journal in specific days and in specific time. By default, it is set, like in my case, Sunday, Tuesday and Thursday. However, we can easily change it in that way. Just select the days in which you would like to write, and also in here we can change a time. That's how you can easily configure a schedule on Journal app, and if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.